Now look at this.
Mexico is going to the moon. Mexico's first moon mission will send 5 tiny robots on a Peregrine lunar lander on January 8th. Check this out.
Recently, 5 small robots, conceived and built in Mexico, will launch to the moon later this year, as part of a first-of-its-kind scientific expedition. The 2-wheeled bots will scramble around the lunar surface, while gathering detailed measurements. You can think of them as little Wallies. Just picture Wally, roaming around on the surface of the moon, collecting important data. This is going to be exactly like that. The so-called nano robots, produced by experts at Mexico's National Autonomous University, would work together like a swarm of bees, once they reach the moon, on board a rocket from closely held American firm. The mission, which will be launched on a Vulcan rocket, by United Launch Alliance, will be the first American spacecraft to land on the moon in 50 years. The bots, which are constructed of stainless steel, titanium alloys, and space-grade aluminium, are prepared to collect lunar materials that could be helpful in future space mining, according to the scientist. The team members tested a launch device for the wafer-thin, almost 5-inch diameter disc-shaped robots, which are planned to communicate with one another, as well as with an Earth-based command center. The bots will launch in June atop Astrobotics' Peregrine lander, which was originally designed for Google's Lunar X Prize competition. According to sources, the nano robots will take the first-ever lunar plasma temperature, electromagnetic, and regolith particle size measurements throughout their month-long mission. The team expressed excitement about the impending trip, which will comprise 200 engineering, physics, math, and chemistry students. No one has done this, not only in Mexico, said one of the scientists. We can make a difference in terms of technology and international cooperation, which might lead to significant collaborative ventures.